Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term FFS. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, FFS is an acronym expressing frustration or annoyance. People use it when something annoying or irritating happens, especially online or in text chats. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. FFS first showed up in the early 2000s internet slang scene. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people in online communities. Now let's check out how to use FFS in a sentence. Correct example 1. She typed FFS after her computer crashed for the third time today. Correct example 2. I can't believe I lost my keys again, FFS. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said FFS at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using FFS right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. FFS means an acronym expressing frustration or annoyance. It started in early 2000s internet slang, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with FS in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.